Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of all ages. Back with part 2 of the 2020 Topps Allen and Ginter blaster box opening. Had some fun with the first one. I still haven't put it in the top loader yet, but we ended up getting the Robert rookie out of that. Got a nice Jim Abbott, Gary Carter, nice Lou Gehrig. So excited to see what's in this one, so we're gonna get right into it. Try to keep the video to 10 minutes or less. And yeah, I'll open this up, see the packs and everything in the zoomed out mode here, and then we'll go ahead and crack the packs in a better zoomed out. Whoa, went ahead and just destroyed that camera angle. All right, so got the packs, maybe a relic this time. We'll see. So let's jump into it. Packs there, I guess. No, let's put them over there. Let me get in my way. There we go. So I love the flavor of these cards. Don Mattingly, hello, very nice. So excited for that. So excited. Kokumai. Alright, right off the bat, we got a karate athlete. Karate Dreams, Summer Games. 6-time Senior Pan American. Gold medal winner and an 8-time national champ. Alright, cool card. I like that. I like seeing those. Brandon Woodruff. Nice. Bobby Doerr. Nice Bellinger mini. So cool. I do. I think they're too small now, but Petronas Towers. The last one we got the man, I forget what it's called now. It used to be called the Sears Tower in Chicago. And then nice Donnie baseball. Very, very nice. Excited. One of my all-time favorite players when I was a kid. Still is one of my all-time favorites. So nice Duke Snider on the back. Dunst. Tony Dunst. Poker player. Alright. I don't must be out of the loop. Do not know these people. Alright, Javi Baez again. Little trade bait there for somebody. Cub fan. Castellanos. Nice! These are the ones. I like these. I like these a lot. These, where the monsters live. See the eyes in there. Very cool. I like those. Tanzanite. Got one of these in the last box. And the Duke Snider. Duke. Nice Whitey Ford. Then we got, yeah, another David Dahl. Did we get a Sandy Koufax in the last one? I can't remember. Orlando Cepeda. Castillo. Nice. Really expanding my down on the farm there. Got the corn stalks, horse. Now I got the combine. Love it. Love it, love it. Excuse me. Nice Ford. Okay. Next pack. Hope everyone's excited for their weekend. Hope their weeks went by fast. Nice Ty Cobb. Nice. Oh. Dustin Pedroia. Is this a Sig? Did we get one? Oh, relic. Alright. Alright, so we got a relic. Very nice. Dustin Pedroia. Game used. guess I could have just read the back. It said big fat relic on there. Very nice. Big Hurt Mini. Nice. Field General Benito. So we got Gary Carter, Mike Piazza, and Benito. Yeah. Put Dust in front and center there. Nice. So we were able to, you know, at least pull one hit out of two remaining blasters on the shelf at Walmart. Suarez. I'm not digging the duplication out of these two already, though. I mean, at least we got the hit. Ichiro, Miguel Tejada, Trevor Story, Wombo Valor, nice Ken Griffey Jr., Kyle Tucker, Jeff Bagwell was the long ball Valor in the first blaster, so that's cool. 3 packs left. I'm very excited with that. I mean, he's a Red Sox, you know, but I guess I can forgive him for that. It's still nice to get a relic, you know. Gene Score. Yeah, I'm not digging the Cole Calhoun again. Howie Kendrick. Debut to remember. Starlin Castro. Back in 2010. Nice. Corbin. Patrick Corbin. 2 packs left. Let's see. Like more of that Monsters, Where They Live. I'd like to see another one of those. Nice Anthony K. Alright. Noah Syndergaard. Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, someone I do know. Ken Jeong. Nice. Very good card. It'd be nice to be a nice little auto right there, but nah, I'll take it nonetheless. Oh, Billy Williams. Oh, what is this? Behemoths below, or Behemoths beneath. So Lion's Mane Jelly. Steinway Tower. I like how they put the footage and everything there. Central Park, Manhattan. Cool. Nice Anthony K rookie card. Alright, so last pack. Blaster turned out to be good. Nice little relic in there. Ah, nice. Fernando. That's Fultonevich. Alright. I don't know who did. And a Kyle Lewis rook. Alright. Jared Carabas. Season ticket holder at Fenway Park since 1998. 3-time award-winning blogger. Really? Okay. Alright. But Kyle Lewis is nice. Alright, so we have the regular Andrew What do we have here? Alright, Ruby. For some reason, I see the deep here. I thought it said beef. I'm looking here. It looks like beef cubes. I'm like, what? Beef cube? What? Alright, so we got the Andrew Jones full card, and then the mini. Nice rubies. Very nice. I like that. And then Tatis Jr. Very, very nice. That's a Tatis Jr. and Kyle Lewis rook, and the in one pack is nice. But then we also got the nice relic memorabilia for Dustin Pedroia. Awesome. So glad we found those 2 blasters tonight. It was a fun rip. I'm gonna go ahead and definitely look in the backs of the cards and read more of those Behemoths Beneath and some of the other farm cards, just to see the funny tropes and everything that they put on there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Looking forward to finding more and doing some more. Right now, the schedule looks like we're going to do the 1998 Bowman Series 1 and Series 2 next. And yeah, then we'll get back into the 1980s. So have a good weekend. Be kind, be safe, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Good night.